As a teacher in an urban upper-class district, how can I make a difference in the lives of my minority students? Understanding how inequitable education actually is in America and how that contributes to the academic gap is a start. In a world where education is meant to be the great equalizer, a stark reality presents between the haves and have-nots. Go on a journey with Jonathan Cazal as he examines some of the America's poorest urban neighborhoods and looks at the effect segregation still has on the public school system. This will be the 70th anniversary of the Supreme Court ruling of Brown v. Board of Education, in which the court ruled that segregated education was unconstitutional because it is inherently unequal. Does Jonathan discover a world of equality, or in fact one that not much has changed in 70 years? In the heart of the city, a struggle for quality education unfolds. But just beyond the city limits, another world thrives. For these students, every achievement is a triumph against the odds. Choices have been taken away from the poor urban child. In the city of Chicago, choices even seem harder to find. In the North Lawndale area, one of the poorest districts in the country, there is no access to specialized curriculum such as music, art, drama, or foreign languages. These so-called gifted classes are overcrowded and underfunded. Yet just beyond the city lights, abundance paints a different picture in the new tier school, which sits on 27 acres with state-of-the-art technology, science labs, and athletic facilities. This is a school of choices. There are numerous elective courses ranging from broadcasting to foreign languages. Here, being gifted is the norm, and the school caters to the child's every need. The brightest children are selected by race, income, and achievements. These schools have been described as survival of the fittest. It is still the children of the less poor and better educated that even know about this choice of schools. Another choice taken away for the poorest of Black children. But as the divide widens, so does the urgency for change. What can make a difference in this large division between urban and suburban schools? It's time to challenge the status quo, to rewrite the narrative. Follow along as Jonathan discovers what happens when a class action is brought by parents of students in failing school districts in New Jersey, and how it took 7 long years for the judge to rule that New Jersey does in fact run 2 separate and unequal public school systems. So did this ruling in fact result in change? All teachers should be trying to make a positive impact and a difference in children's lives, no matter the school district or economic situation. Jonathan finds teachers pushed to the breaking point. Suburban school teachers have more resources and time to focus on individual children's needs. Within the suburban system, teachers must strive for diversity and equitable treatment within their classroom. These children have choices. Managing choices is a burden teachers in urban school districts would love to have. Because every child, no matter where they come from, deserves a chance to shine.